Final Cut Studio Master. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do basic explosions in Final Cut Pro or Express. So that's just some sound effect that came with Soundtrack Pro and a basic explosion, so you get the idea. This tutorial was requested by Tiger TV News, the video production class I was in high school, which piqued my interest in this or whatever. Okay, so we have 4 elements we need to look at. We have the explosion, the clip of the actor there, and then the actor of them not there. And if you want to, and the explosion sound effect, if you want to get really fancy, you can get some ambience from your clip. Just have a few seconds of just the wind, so it kind of adds more realism. So we have all those elements. So now let's recreate what I did over here. So I've got my clip of me there, talking about my website. So I'm going to try to go there to find in and out points. And one quick note, you will notice that the goat in the background does disappear, but that's fine. Okay, so now I need to make a freeze frame by going up here to modify, make freeze frame, or Command N, and drop that there. So now we play it back, I and the goat disappear. So now we need to add the explosion. I have a couple of explosions here. So let's see, I will use this one. So yours probably will have, most likely have detonation films at the beginning. At the end of the video, I'll show you where to get explosions. So let's drag that down to just define an endpoint. So now, see that we have our explosion down here, but there's a black background. That's a problem. Well, that's easy to get rid of. Just go to Modify, Composite Mode, and Screen. Basically keying out the black. So we have our explosion. Now we need to resize it. So when the explosion happens, the actor's kind of engulfed in the explosion. So then you don't really see the transition from there to not there. Kind of hiding that. I'm going to render that out. From the back, I'll probably have to make some adjustments. Yeah. So if you go frame by frame, you'll see, you can kind of see me. Fix that, I'm going to drag it about there. Oh, about there. I'll render that out. Yeah. It takes its sweet time. No. Now, I just kind of blow up. But it's kind of dull, you know. Now we need to add our sound effect to make it not dull. So, I'm going to go... So, that's real basic. The sound effect I used really didn't fit the explosion. That's more like it. So, yeah, that's how to do the explosion effect in Final Cut Pro or Express. It's the same steps in both. Obviously, if you have Final Cut Pro, you can do a better job in motion. So now I'm going to show you where to get explosions. You need to go to detonationfilms.com, link is in the description. Click to intersect, and go to Effects Stock Footage. And then you have all these pages of stuff. So
there are a lot of free and premium explosions to download.
there's explosions and whatnot. There's some free ones I downloaded. This pre-keyed. That'll download, and then you will have your explosion, and you can use it to follow this tutorial. Boom. I hope this tutorial was helpful. You can just request in the comments what kind of tutorial you would like to see, need help with, or send me a message through YouTube, or post a comment on my website, v1de0.com. I also have a Twitter, HDV1de0, and also that's my second channel. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Abort.